Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Assalamualaikum guys, this is Rabshan Azif and you are watching Crazy Information Technology. In today's video I am going to review Vivo V11 Pro. So hope you enjoy our review, and if you enjoy review, kindly subscribe our channel Crazy Information Technology. I will explain its all feature and the details, so please keep watching this video till end to know about all the features. So first of all, its main highlight in display fingerprint scanner, perfect shoot, perfect movement. So now I will want to explain its design. It is 16.29 centimeter screen size, which means 6.41 inches. 19.5:9 Super AMOLED display, 91.27 screen percentage, which is amazing. So now talk about display. It has 6.41 Super AMOLED display, has a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. So it's amazing. Its vibrant colors and stunning creating is just amazing. As you can see on your screen, the display is just amazing, and the water notch display, which is great. So now come to 3D body perfection in your hands. So just amazing. As you can see, it gives the 3D design at the back of its design. So as you can see the stars in its back cover, so which it is amazing. It hold your mobile is just great. Now come to its night mode. As you can see, the design of this mobile is just amazing, and the water drop notch is just great. So let's talk about its camera. It has AI dual real camera. The Vivo V11 Pro features are 12 megapixel 24 million photosynthesis units, which is amazing, and 5 megapixel dual real camera combination, which is great. So hope you enjoy its camera. The main camera spot a large aperture f1.8 and 1.28 pixels, which is amazing. The strong combination boost positive sensitive in backlight or low light, so which is amazing. So now come to the its AI protect farming. As you can see on your screen, it is also AI protect mode is also available in its which make your picture much good and much better. So it's amazing. So now come to this AI low lighting mode. As you can see, as you can differentiate between the two pictures, the lighting mode is just amazing. Single pixel size is 1.28 up and the other is large aperture f1.8. so amazing. Now come to AI backlight HDR. So as you can see, the HDR feature is just amazing. The clearness, the brightness and the contrast is just amazing. As you can see, the pictures of its camera is just beautiful. The food, portrait and flowers is amazing. So now come to its front camera. Selfie camera, 24 megapixel AI camera, clear, beautiful, natural. 25 megapixel HDR sensor with the HDR sensor, so it's amazing. So it's selfie camera picture, so it's amazing. As you can see, the monochrome background is amazing. Natural light is also great, so it's amazing. So have a look on more pictures. Studio lighting and stereo lighting features is also available. So now come to its powerful performance, which is most important thing. So as you can see on your screen, it has 660 AI Qualcomm Snapdragon, 6GB RAM, 64GB large memory and Android 8.1 Oreo. So it's amazing. Latest Android system is in this mobile. So now talk about its Qualcomm processor. It has a supreme intelligence, extreme power, so it's amazing, which is its highlight. Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 AI in an octa-core platform with immersing strength and capability, so it's amazing. As you can see on your screen, I again say please subscribe my channel Crazy Information Technology, because when you subscribe our channel you will be connected with the latest technology updates. So now talk about its memory. It has 6GB RAM plus 64GB ROM, and its highlight is run faster store mode, so it's great. So now talk about its dual engine fast charging made safer. Its highlight, it has a battery 400 mAh capacity battery at rapid speed, so it's amazing. So let's talk about some features, some new features. It has a your AI assistance. You can hold anything through your voice, so it's amazing. You can save your time and you can save your time, so it's amazing, which means enjoy viewers AI, so it's great. As you can see, it's joint smart scenes, so it's amazing. So now come to Google Lens. Also it has Google Lens is also available in it. So now come to the Google Assistant. It has a V11 Pro, also has Google Assistant, which is your voice powered personal attendant. Use voice command to save time, while Google Assistant help you perform a myriad of different actions. So it is great. Playing music or videos, booking plane tickets, sending message, shopping online, or navigating your way home. It provides endless possibilities, all ends free. So amazing. So now come to its fun mode. Fun mode is also available in it, so it's amazing. So now come to the AI game mode. The newly updated AI game mode keeps your favorite functions such as floating call alert, background calls, and the game keyboard, while adapting features such as the new game assistant. A quick sideways swipe gives you easy access to all the above functions, so you can choose what to turn on or all off. So it's amazing. So hope you enjoy our review, and if you enjoy our review, kindly subscribe our channel Crazy Information Technology, because when you subscribe our channel you will be connected with the latest technology updates. I bring video daily, so connect with us. I again say connect with us. So for now it's ended. We will be right back with new ideas, with new technology. Goodbye, take care.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.